Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your files from your desktop. For example, if you want to film a video or you just don't want to show them on your desktop. This is pretty simple to do on MacBook. So first of all, you're going to go to your App Store. And on the App Store, you're just going to search for Hidden Me. After this, you're just going to install this application, Hidden Me. And guys, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel before you do this. And now when you will basically download and install Hidden Me, you should see it right here at the top. As you can see, this icon. And now you will basically click on this and click on hide desktop icons. And as you can see, all the icons have disappeared. After this, you're just gonna click show desktop icons and you can see them right here. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.